Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing the grade 5 lesson 7 worksheet. So question number 1, a total of 33 students are present in a classroom. There are twice as many 5th graders as there are 6th graders. Find the number of 5th graders and 6th graders. So here we can see that there is twice as many 5th graders than there are 6th graders, which means we get a ratio of 1 to 2. 5th graders and 6th graders. For every one 6th grader, there is 2 5th graders. So all we need to do to figure out this question is guess first and check after. So if there is one 6th grader, then there is 2 5th graders, and that means there's a total of 3 students. To get this number to 33, we have to factor 33. The factors of 33 are 1. The factors of 33 are 1, 11, 3, and 33. There might be some more, but this is all that we need because 11 times 3, which is our current total number of students, is equal to 33. So that means 11 is the number of 6th grade students there are, and since you multiply 1 by 11 to get 11 here, you multiply 2 by 11 to get 22. So 11 plus 22 equals 33, making the answer to the question 11 6th graders and 22 5th graders. In a game of cards, Osti has 9 more cards than Freddy. If Freddy has 13 cards, what is the sum number of cards? Osti has 9 more cards than Freddy. 9 plus 13 would be 22. Plus 13 is 35. A group of friends collected a sum of $45 by selling lemonade. They only received 10, 5, and $2 bills and collected a total of 10 bills. What is the combination of bills that they have? So here, all we need to do is use the guess and check strategy again. They have a total of 10 bills, so we can guess. Let's start with the guess of $20 of $10 bills, or we can write 2 times 10 should do, which is 20, and we have 2 bills here. Let's guess maybe 4 $5 bills. 4 times 5, which is also 20, and we have 4 here. And $2 bills, well, since 20 plus 20 is 40, and 45 minus 40 is 5, 5 is not divisible by 2 as a real number, therefore this answer is wrong. So let's guess again. The second type of guess we can make here is 2. Let's keep 2 $10 bills, and then we could add less $5 bills. So why don't we try 3 $5 bills? That means 20 plus 15, 35. And lastly, 45 minus 35 is 10. So that means we need 5 $2 bills. And total, they have 10 bills and $45, which makes this answer correct. Create a simple equation to represent the problem. We can just make the equation of the number of bills, or the number of each bill that you need. So take these. Since we have 3 different numbers to multiply to 3 different values, we need 3 different variables. So let's use A, B, and C. So here, 2 times 10, if we substitute 2 for A, then we could say 10A plus 3 times 5, substitute 3 for B, 5B, plus 5 times 2, substitute 5 for C, and we can have 2C equals 45. Question number 4. Andy receives 2 quarters, 12 nickels, and half as many dimes as nickels, or a quarter of as many dimes as nickels. What is the value of the coins? So 1 quarter of 12 is 3. That means he has 3 dimes. 3 dimes is equal to 30 cents. 12 nickels is equal to 60 cents. And 2 quarters is equal to 50 cents. So our final answer here should be $1.40 after we add all of these values. Samuel sold 32 tickets, John sold 12 more than Samuel, and Ian sold 7 more than John. What is the total number of tickets sold? So Samuel sold 32. We add that to 12 more than Samuel, which will be 44. And Ian sold 7 more than John. This is John's number. This is Samuel's number. 7 plus 44 is equal to 51. So all we need to do is add these numbers. 32 plus 44 is 76. 76 plus 51 would be 127. We're going to put the unit of tickets. A cylinder and a cone are placed on a balance. The total weight of the two shapes is 560 grams. If the cylinder is 3 times the weight of the cone, what is the weight of the shapes? That means there's a ratio of 1 to 3. For every 1 gram of the cone, there is 3 grams of weight on the cylinder. Therefore, all we need to do is a similar thing as up there. 1 plus 3 is 4. 560 divided by 4, 160. 4 times 40 is 160. That means the answer is 140. To our division problem here, we take that, we plug it in to the 1. 140 times 1 is 1. 140 times 3, because we need to multiply equally, is equal to 420. So that means our final answer is the cone weighs 140 grams and the cylinder weighs 420 grams. Making models may make solving problems easier. Solve each problem by modeling. 3 circles are drawn so that each individual circle is overlapping with the other 2. How many enclosed areas are made? So if each of them overlap with the other 2, let me just get a good shape here. Let's just make a circle and second circle and third circle. So this looks kind of like something you might see in English or any other subject. It's called a Venn diagram. And so all we need to count here is the enclosed areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 areas. A circle perfectly encapsulates an equilateral triangle. 1 second. Let me just draw out the model here. Perfectly encapsulating an equilateral triangle. Imagine that these two sides are like stuck together. 3 lines pass through the circle, bisecting the triangle 3 times. How many enclosed areas are made? So to bisect the triangle, we do 1, we do 2, we do 3. Imagine that middle gap is not there. We need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right there. So my answer here will be 12 areas.